Hi guys, so 24 hours ago I started an experiment creating or producing egg emulsion, which is for broiler growth and egg production. So once again, my name is Opoyemi. Welcome to DIY Agri. I'm going to provide you with the 24 hours update.
Okay,
right
so
now.
it's over 24 hours now that we have these eggs, 10 eggs inside the lime and molasses solution. So I want to show you guys the status of the experiment. You can see this very egg. Look at this egg. The action of the lime, I'm going to bring it so close. Okay, so the action of the lime has actually had its toll on this egg. You can see it's already palpable, or what will I call it now? The eggshell has become so soft. You can see that. Okay, and there's also a crack. All these eggs, like I showed you in the beginning of the experiment, they were whole eggs that were fresh, no crack like this. So the action of the lime has had its toll on this egg, and it has cracked. Don't mind my daughter. So it's already soft. I believe this kind of shell should completely be out by the time it's 10 days. Imagine it's just 24 hours and we have this kind of reaction. Also, there's another egg here. Yeah, oh god, this one, you can see. That's why it's important that you use pure lime. Pure lime. You can see this one already gave way. This is what I expect you guys to get. There's actually no bad thing in opening your container to check the status of your egg or eggshell. Look at these two. Most of the eggs have had a significant change, significant transformation. So briefly, I'm just going to take one egg that still looks pretty cool, and just for the sake of this experiment, I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to rinse the lime off the body, so we'll just look at how it will appear after rinsing. So I'm going to do the rinsing right away. There's no bad thing that will come out of this rinsing. So I'm just going to return it back after checking what I want to check. Okay, so that's the rinsing. Now look at the egg. Does this look like the egg that was put inside the molasses and lime solution? No. There's a huge transformation. You can see the calcium layer is peeling off. You can see this is the calcium layer. It's nothing else. This is not the molasses, this is not the lime. It's the calcium that is peeling off actually. So I won't want to waste this. I'm just going to put it back into the lime molasses solution. So this is to show that the lime and molasses actually does great work in dissolving the calcium. For you guys that are asking questions about whether this and that will happen, whether your egg is going to open up into the solution, well, this is what you should get. And probably if day 7, you see that on day 7 it's not giving you so much result, probably you want to would I say you should rub the body like this, but there's no use. At the end of the experiment, you can just crush your eggs and remove the shell membranes, which will not dissolve. You can just see that. So that's that about that. So I guess we are good.